Hey everyone! In this video, I will show how to use Midjourney for free, without any subscription, for a lifetime. We will follow an authentic way to verify our Discord account and avoid using junk or fake emails. If you're creating art or images with Midjourney and run out of your 25 free queries, you won't be able to use Midjourney on that Discord account any longer. But don't worry, in this video, I'll explain an easy, step-by-step process to use Midjourney for unlimited queries and graphics. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for amazing AI-related videos, tips, tricks, and ways to earn with AI. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, log out of your old account. After you log out of your old account, it's time to make a new email account. Open a new tab in your browser and type in proton.me. Click on Create a Free Account and choose a free account by clicking Get Proton for free. Give it any username you want and choose an auto-generated password. Click on Create Account and wait. You have two ways to verify a Proton account: email verification and reCAPTCHA. Choose reCAPTCHA, which is easy and doesn't require an email. Just check mark I am human. Choose your display name and click Next. You may skip the extra information or give a random recovery email to proceed. Click on Save Selected and wait. Welcome to Proton Mail. Click Next and proceed to get started. When you click on the top right corner, you'll see your username and email provided by Proton. Copy this email because we will use this email to verify the new Discord account to use Midjourney. Keep in mind that there is no limit on Proton. You can make hundreds and thousands of accounts. To make a new Discord account for Midjourney, go to discord.com and click on Login. Click Register just below the Login button. On this screen, paste the email that we just created and copied in Proton. For the username, paste the same email but delete gmail.com and add something like this. Create a password and a random date of birth. Make sure you select the year correctly and your age must be over 13. Check the box and click Continue. Do the reCAPTCHA verification and click Verify. Click on the plus icon, click on Skip All Tips, click on Plus, and click on Join a Server. Click on Don't Have Any Invite, and you'll see Midjourney at the top. Click on it, close the welcome window, and go to Proton Mail. Check for the verification email from Discord. Open the email, click on Verify Email, and click Confirm. Now go to the Discord old tab and click on Refresh at the top. Now you have successfully verified your email and also joined Midjourney. Repeat this process for every time in one mail when your image trial has been ended. I hope this tutorial helps you save some money while enjoying all the amazing content on Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.